Thank you, Winky, thank you.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Hannah, back with another freaking video. Just kidding. I'm sorry. Please don't click off. I swear I don't like singing like that a lot. I hope you guys don't mind hearing Lincoln a little bit in the background. This has been a highly requested video because I've been posting a lot with this very warm fall tone look, and you guys have been requesting, at least my Instagram babes have been requesting a tutorial on it. So I will be doing that, but I'm also going to be doing, this is a get ready with me for sure, because I have a business meeting planned at noon and it's like 10:30 right now, so I'm already gonna kind of close. But I spent my morning watching videos about some of my favorite YouTubers, and one being Haley Pham. I don't think that she's a bad person at all, but her video about going to Greece and just Europe in general just offended me so much, and it really hurts me to see how like entitled she's become. I think that she should address it and she'll be fine. Like, I really don't think that this is like something to cancel someone over. As I'm editing this, I did look up to see if Haley has posted anything regarding this controversy, and she has. She actually posted a video called I don't know what the title is to her vlog channel, and I don't know, I really admire her for like talking about it. She did delete the original video, and she really explained what she meant by all the points that offended me and others. So yeah, I just want to put this in here and say that I don't hate Haley. I honestly, like, I forgive her. I forgive her. I still love Haley. Come on, how could you not? The Ace family though, oh, if I could refilm this video, I would be talking about the Ace family drama. But yeah, back to your original programming. Anyways, if you guys are wondering what I'm using right now, it is the Milk Makeup Concealer, and this is the Flex Concealer, but girl, it's like $28 for 0.2 fluid ounces. And I'm upset because a bitch likes to wear a lot of concealer, and I feel like this is gonna run out next week. And I just got it like last week. It brings good coverage without looking like you're wearing makeup. If you're wondering what shade I'm in, it is light beige clean. A lot of YouTubers sadly get entitled, and who knows, maybe I would have gotten entitled if my channel really took off into the millions. You know, there's no saying, especially since she's young, there's nothing that what that's gonna do to your brain. And then I've also really been pissed off at seeing all of the fast fashion brands doing all these things with beauty influencers. Like, guys, I just really think that it's time that like influencers start having a real influence regarding like climate change and helping the earth. It hurts me to see like my favorite influencers, you know, get a big brand deal. You know, they got paid thousands of dollars by Princess Polly or Zafool to do some content with them, and also give their followers a coupon code to go shop more at their store. Like, their millions or thousands of hundreds of followers who have no idea really what the true cost of, you know, have no idea who's making these clothes. They just know that it's their style, their favorite influencer is repping them, and so yeah, they're gonna buy it. But guys, it's time that influencers start saying no to those kinds of brands, because it's not the type of production that we want to spread more. You know, it's not ethical, it's not sustainable, and these are the same influencers who want to do like the being ethical for a day, or like, you know, tips to help save the world, like, but then you go around and do as a fool thing. Like, it's like, girl, that's just so much waste, you know? Like, there is a way to be fashionable without wasting a bunch, you know? And you know, there are influencers who aren't like that. Like Best Dressed, oh my god, she's perfection. Her style's perfection. She is always talking about how we should thrift more. We have to be more mindful, and not just about what we eat and not how much we recycle. It's also what we wear, because clothes don't go anywhere, y'all. So stop paying for the production of a bunch of plastics just to sit on the earth for the next billion years. And you won't even be able to wear that plasticky thing for more than 5 years, because it's going to rip and it's going to break. That's just what they're made for, so that you come buy more too. I don't know, guys, I just think it's really time that we start opening our eyes more and like what we're supporting. I feel like I need to expose some people.
I have
The urge to expose.
And not people like influencers, like not coming for influencers, but for brands. I need to come for brands next. Like, if they're not telling you where their clothes are made, bitch. Like, and people like act like it's an irrelevant topic when it's not. It's like it's more relevant every day since our earth is burning down, like, and microplastics are penetrating the earth. But moving on to brows. Oh wait, I already did my brows in front of you guys. This is the Il Maquillage eyebrow pen. It's in the shade Blondie, and I'm gonna run through with that with my Anastasia clear brow gel. Oh, and another thing I want to talk about is Instagram. I was out taking pics with my girl the other day. So I started talking about actually like how I want to go about my Instagram this fall. I was like, you know, because we were going out to take pics for Instagram, which...
Don't judge me. I know you probably do that with your friends too, and it's fun, okay?
Yeah, I was basically like, I'm so conflicted. Like, I want like a really nice and, you know, cohesive feed, like all these great accounts that I follow. Like, I was showing her all these accounts that inspired me. But then there's another part of me, I said, that I like really just wants to post literally whatever I want, whenever I want, and like not worry about how it all looks together on my page. And then Bia was like, dude, like your page literally used to be like that and it was amazing. Like, I don't know why you changed. And she even like pulled back like my old feed from like 2017 and it was so good. And I don't know, it really made me reflect on how I like kind of changed my feed and the way I approached Instagram entirely based on like what I thought was gonna get more people to follow me, because I've noticed that I was like losing followers, and you know, it completely changed the way I thought about my Instagram. I was like, oh, like I have to do this different. And then I looked around Instagram and I was like, oh, look, all these people are doing things like this. I need to start doing things like this. And that just, oof, I don't know. There's just like so many different little phases you can see I kind of went through on my Instagram. But yeah, I recently just decided like I'm literally not gonna give a fuck anymore. Like I feel like that's the most entertaining too, whenever you post whatever selfies you want, whatever, even not selfies, like pictures of random shit. Like, I don't know, I'm just excited because I feel like I started giving a fuck after not giving a fuck for so long, and it turns out that's not what I was doing wrong. Like I needed to go back to giving less of a fuck, but that's what I think I'm gonna do now. I'm not gonna be doing presets. I am gonna be doing whatever I want. I don't know, like whatever feels good to me, you know? Anyways, I'm like really set on this look
Being like a fire look today.
So I'm actually gonna take this tape and put it on the corners of my eyes. Does it look even? I don't know. But a bitch is committed because it's her third time filming this look and I wasn't satisfied with the makeup. And this fly
is going to die.
Next time she makes a whisper. Anywho, by the way, if you guys are wondering what I set my face with, I've been really enjoying the Milk Makeup Blur and Set translucent powder. For eyeshadows today, guys, we are going to be using both of these. And this first one is Riff. I'm gonna be putting her all up in my crease. And look down at the mirror so you can see your whole eyelid and really blend out the way you want it to. So I'm gonna call this look Thotumn. It'd be great to, I'm gonna kill that fly. Be great to go make out with your boyfriend at a pumpkin patch, or not your boyfriend, anyone, your girlfriend. That too. Now I will be taking this smaller brush and I'm gonna be putting that darker brown. I'm gonna take this brown because it's more matte and we need matte right now. And we're just gonna be kind of stamping it on the outer corner.
Wait. Oh my freaking...
Okay, so I just kind of stamped that on the end there. Just want to make sure everything is blended in. I'm going back in with the orangey color, by the way. Now I'm going to be taking Stranded right here. And I'm just going to put that with my ring finger. Oh, it just goes so pretty with the other colors. Here it comes. Oh. Eyeliner next. It's not the time, Fly. It's not the fucking time. Not that I'm not so Hannah.
Yeah, that's what you call Hannah in panic mode.
I was saying, it's not the time to mess up, Hannah. You don't have makeup wipes. If you're wondering. No! Mother. Okay, Hannah. I think you did it, sis. Just repatch that up. So with a smaller brush than earlier, I'm going to be replacing some of that. If you guys would like a video just about winged eyeliner, let me know. Because it is definitely something that can make you
Lose your mind.
but it can feel like such an accomplishment to like it. I'm gonna put that riff. I've really been loving the ColourPop Brownie Bites mascara. So this is brown, but I will be adding lashes today. Y'all, this could even be a homecoming look. Like, I went all out. So these lashes are super old. There's literally, the name is rubbed off of them, but they are from Black Magic Rouge and Rouge. And now I'm gonna go back and put a little eyeliner in the inner corners. Okay, now bitch can finally move on to the face. So I have absolutely been loving the Kat Von D contour brush and the Perk Up ColourPop bronzer. I've been finding pretty. And guys, a tip for bronzer is make sure you're not going ever too low. If anything, you'd rather go too high, because when you do your bronzer wrong, it could really make your cheekbones look lower if you do it too low. A little bit on the nose. And now blush. I've also been loving the Peachy blush from the same line from ColourPop, Fresh and Peachy. Now let's do the highlighter. Oh my goodness. I am still 100% in love with the Pillow Talk by Ofra. Just gonna pack it right under the wing. And I like to bring it right here to my pores a little bit, but just like swipe it off just so it's a little glow. And then we take the pencil brush and the nose. Okay, so now we just have the lips. So the lip I'm gonna be doing is a nude, and this is a Zoella times ColourPop lip color, and it's called Little One. Just gotta scrape all the crusties off. And that is my Thoughttober look. Or bottom. It's my Thotumn look. I don't know. But I think it's a very fall, and I am happy with it. Yeah, I think that tape technique really helped this time. The only thing I probably might have done is actually gone back and redid the concealer underneath, just because I do see a little bit of darkness showing through but bitch.
The darkness is real.
Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. And if this is maybe your first video of mine that you're seeing, definitely think about at least think about hitting the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I post. It would mean the world to me. It would help me out a lot. And also give this a fat thumbs up if you agreed with anything I said. But I hope you guys have a sexy, beautiful, hydrated October. Definitely try out this look. Send me pics, girl. I would actually love to see that, and I would love to repost you on my story because no one ever does that for me. So if you recreate this, I would be so happy. And yeah, bye guys.